Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix your denied read contact permission error in Android mobile. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Yeah, I'm going to call. So it shows like an error, you denied read contact permission error. So here I'm going to fix those issues. To fix that issue, you need to enter into your settings. Just cut the call and enter into your mobile setting. Over the settings you need to scroll down and you may see the privacy protection. Enter into the privacy protection. Over there you need to click contact. On the contacts you need to click three dot icon and click show system. Yeah, then only all the application will be shown over there. So once it's done, please scroll down and in not allowed category please click phone and then allow the permission, contact permission. So the issue is solved. Now I'm again going to call. So it shows my contact name and the issue is not anymore. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.